Hi, this is Jennifer Westrick, and this is my introduction presentation. I am the STEM teacher and the gifted liaison for Austin Elementary in DeKalb County, Dunwoody, Georgia. An overview of my introduction is a little bit about me and my professional life, some issues, memorable issues with gifted learners, and my most and least favorite aspect of gifted learners. Some interesting information about me is that I just completed my 14th year of teaching. I graduated from Auburn University in 1993 and from UAB in 1996. For those of you who do not know, UAB is University of Alabama in Birmingham, not to be confused with that school in Tuscaloosa. I taught for 10 years before I decided to be a stay-at-home mom. I have two boys. They are now 13 and 10. I went back to teaching in 2014, and I was the gifted resource teacher for an elementary school. This past school year, we decided to move away from the gifted resource and move into the advanced content model of gifted teaching. So I didn't do much with the gifted students this year. I did do the testing for the school gifted program. Next school year, I'll be the STEM teacher and coordinator while still administering the gifted testing. Some memorable issues I have with gifted learners. It's not really with the gifted learners themselves. It's more with adults that are teaching them. I seem to have run into some teachers who seem to not really like the idea of having gifted students in their class. They seem to resent them. They have this idea that gifted students should be perfect all the time and be the best at all the time and everything. And when they don't fit that mold or that idea, they kind of talk down about them. They'll say, "Mrs. Westrick, that's one of your students." And I'm like, yeah, it is one of my students, and I'm proud to have them. I hope with earning my EDS and gifted education that I will be able to help transform that idea with some teachers and to broaden their horizons in what a gifted student really is and how to really reach them and teach them. My most and least favorite aspect of gifted learners is I love seeing gifted learners just reach and go beyond what they can do in the classroom and be really creative. I love watching them jump down a rabbit hole and chase whatever it is that they think they need to do to learn. And I'm hoping moving into the STEM department next year that I'll be able to see more of that happening, not just with the gifted learners, but bring that aspect of learning to all the students. I really just loving watching them go down those rabbit holes and following them and see where they go. My least favorite aspect of engaging with gifted learners is the gifted testing process. It is a long and arduous process in my school district. It takes the entire school year and even longer. And my wish is that it would really take less time because it's just very grueling, and I don't really like that part of gifted learners. This is me, and I look forward to learning about everybody else.